Hello everyone, my name is Araya Long and I'm a graduate assistant at UIC's Library of Health Sciences. Today I will be showing you how to use SimplyAnalytics. In this video I will be demonstrating how to create a custom location for a Chicago community area in the SimplyAnalytics software. If you are unfamiliar with SimplyAnalytics, it is a web-based mapping, analytics, and data visualization application. This software is often used to explore health data at the community or neighborhood level and will be helpful for your work in a number of disciplines, including public health, urban planning, and more. To start, head to SimplyAnalytics through the UIC Library website. Starting on the library homepage, select Databases towards the top of the page, then select the letter S for SimplyAnalytics. If you're on campus at UIC, you can go to simplyanalytics.com to access the direct login page, but this won't work from other locations. You can also find the link at researchguides.uic.edu/publichealth/data. This is UIC's Public Health Research Guide. Under the Data and Statistics tabs, you can find a link to SimplyAnalytics. Select Sign in the top right corner to find this login prompt. Then sign in or create an account. To save your searches, you need to sign up for an account using your UIC email address. After you create your account, we will now create a custom location to begin your analysis. In SimplyAnalytics, select the Locations tab on the top left side and select Create New Combination Location, or you can select New Project at the top of the page. For my demonstration, I will download the Chicago Community Areas with Corresponding Census Tract Numbers spreadsheet. It is located in the Public Health Research Guide under the Data and Statistics tab we visited earlier. Again, that is researchguides.uic.edu/publichealth under the Data and Statistics tab. You will see the spreadsheet under the Mapping Resources header. You can download it as well if you would like to follow along. Once you open the spreadsheet, select a Chicago neighborhood of interest and copy its first tract number. In SimplyAnalytics, paste that tract number into the New Project search bar or number 2 of the Create New Combination Location box. Make sure to select the Illinois option within the search results. If you don't see an Illinois location listed, try typing Cook County after the tract number. You will also name the location in number 1 of the Create New Combination Location option. In this case, the name would be Albany Park, since that is the neighborhood I chose. So again, you would copy and paste tract numbers into the New Project section or the Create Combination Location section. Here are screenshots of both of those areas. Continue to copy and paste every census tract number associated with your community area, as you briefly saw me doing in the prior screen recording. You must enter in all of the tract numbers for a community in order to register the entire neighborhood. Click Next or Save after you've entered in all of the community's tract numbers. You have now created a custom location, and you can repeat steps 4 and 5 to create another custom location so you can run comparisons among various locations. From here, you may be prompted to select seed variables. If not, you can select various data seed variables under the Data tab on the left side of the screen. To view your custom locations when generating a table, report, or map, navigate to the right side of the screen where the views are located. You can view comparison tables, quick reports, maps, etc. by selecting New View and choosing the view you'd like to see. By selecting the small drop-down arrow for any of these views on the top left corner of the box, you will see an Edit option. If you select this, you will be able to select any of your custom locations that you'd like to run comparisons on and add data variables. That concludes our demo on SimplyAnalytics. If you have any questions on this tool or similar tools, feel free to schedule an appointment with a librarian. Check out the links in the description below to view our other videos, access more research guides, make an appointment with a librarian, and more. The Library of Health Sciences thanks you for watching.